our policies are driven towards attracting more investments into the country, particularly from the US, because US has a lot to offer,
Yeah.
not only in manufacturing, but environment management, energy management, our basically our IT industry, the internet development in the country. So a lot of things to expect from India that way.
So there is that potential. Only 3% of India flies today. As that number increases, the order of 200 aircraft that we've placed is a very small order. We can actually place an order for 500 aircraft or more, and that can create a lot of jobs. It can create a lot of business, and like you said, the trade deficit can just be wiped out with one order from one small little company like SpiceJet.
In terms of the businesses that we have, there has been a very long-standing partnership with the Indian industries, and Dr. Mahapatra has been a huge help in terms of progressing our activities. The manufacturing footprint that we have is pretty solid. What would help us is continuing the trajectory of some of these reforms and making it easier, making it more efficient. May it come to a couple of large power sector reforms, couple of large land acquisition reforms. It will make the process faster, it will allow us to invest more, and it will allow us to build much stronger technology in this country and grow the footprint, which allows the trade deficit to improve.
There might be a great opportunity when the Prime Minister of India and President of USA has such a strong chemistry. There should be a joint effort to really address this issue in terms of creating additional capacities, either in US or in India, to make sure that when world needs the medicine, because there is somewhere some problem, people in the world won't suffer. Here is a consortium of two nations which will make sure that the world will always have abundant supply of essential medicine.
So